SMAC spoofing is a technique for changing a factory-assigned media access control address of a network interface on a network devices. The changing of the assigned MAC address may allow the bypassing of access control list on servers or routers, either hiding a computer on a network or allowing it to impersonate another network device. A user may wish to legitimate spoof the MAC address of a previous hardware device in order to acquire connectivity after hardware failure. SMAC is a Windows MAC address modifying utility which allows user to change MAC address for almost any network interface cards on the Windows 2000 XP and 2003 server systems, regardless of whether the manufacturer allows this option or not. Now, go to the command prompt, go to the start button and type CMD and hit enter. In the command prompt, type get Mac. Here you can see the MAC address of your system. This is the MAC address. Now, before installing SMAC tool, you have to know the MAC address of your system. So, go to the browser and type SMAC tool download and hit enter. So many links will be there. You can download SMAC tool from any link. I am downloading from here. Click on download button. Click here to download SMAC tool. As you can see, the setup is SMAC setup is installing. Once setup is installed, double click on it. It will take a couple of minutes. Go to the downloads. Here SMAC tool is installed. Here SMAC setup is installed. Double click on the setup. The setup will be installed. Here click on the yes. As you can see this screen. Welcome to the SMAC program. Click on next. Here read this license agreement and click on I agree. Select a specific part where you want to install this tool. Click on next. You will be asked to create a desktop shortcut or not. So click on this checkbox and click next. Click on next button. Here SMAC tool is installing. As you can see, click on finish button to finish the setup. As you can see, the SMAC tool is installed. Click on I accept. Here we will see this window. Buy, proceed, close. If you are having registration number, then put your register. Otherwise, you can select here proceed. Click on proceed.